Hi friends, this is the bonus spelling test for Unit 24. So this is for the bonus list. Alright, there are 10 words just like normal and 3 dictation sentences. Make sure your name is on your paper and let's begin. Word number 1, saucer. We saw a flying saucer hovering over the school. Saucer. Number 2, automobile. Automobile is a fancy name for a car. Automobile. Number 3, awful. I saw a movie over spring break that was just awful. Awful. Number 4, laundry. I do a lot of laundry with my washer and dryer. Laundry. Number 5, a while. It takes a while to become a good speller. A while. Number 6, straw. It stinks when you go through the drive-thru and order a drink and they forget to give you a straw. Straw. Number 7, August. The month of August will be here before we know it. August. Number 8, crawl. When you were a baby, before you could walk, you learned how to crawl. Crawl. Number 9, autumn. Autumn is a season in the year. We often refer to it as fall instead of autumn. Autumn. Number 10, fault. Fault is a word that has many meanings. Fault. Okay, that is your 10 spelling words. Now get ready for your 3 dictation sentences. Sentence number 1. I saw the big claw on the hawk. Sentence number 2. If you yawn in the auto, you will need to pause. Sentence 3. The red sauce will cause a bad stain. Okay, that concludes your spelling test for the bonus list for Unit 24. Hope you did well.